Hi guys, I hope you're all doing great. In this tutorial, I'm going to introduce you an AI tools where you can make video from images. Are you ready? So let's get started. First, you should go to this website, which is grok.com, and on the left side, we have different options: voice, chat, or image. Okay. Click on image and upload your image. Here we have two options, so I'm going to upload my image and it will be generating a video for you. And at the same time, if you want, you can have your input, what you want to do with this image, how the video looks like. So make a video, okay, that interior is dancing and laughing, and then enter. It is generating. As you can see, it is free to use, you don't have to pay for that. And yeah, it is very fast, as you can see. The video is ready, as you can see, it's dancing and walking according